Hello friends. Today we are going to talk about a very curious subject, black magic. Does it really exist? Or is it simply a trick to deceive people? In this video we will separate truth from falsehood and understand how people get misled. Many people, when they face problems in life, financial difficulties, health issues, or personal fears, believe that the cause is black magic. In society, many stories spread. He has been cursed, she has been bewitched. Using this belief, some people cheat others. They sell expensive rituals, talismans, or spells. They exploit fear to gain money, influence, or control. This is the common fraud carried out in the name of black magic. Do you know when you feel as if black magic is affecting you? Listen carefully. When the moon is weak in your birth chart or transit, the mind and emotions become disturbed. If the moon is weak or afflicted by malefic planets, a person is more likely to experience fear, confusion, and mental instability. At such times, instead of seeking real solutions, people often fall into the trap of sorcerers. Second reason, when Rahu and Ketu are weak in the birth chart or transit, or strongly placed in harmful positions, they indicate deception, illusion, or hidden negative forces. At such times, again, people are drawn to sorcerers. Third reason, the role of Saturn. When Saturn is weak in the birth chart or transit, or harshly afflicts, long-term obstacles, delays, and unusual troubles appear. During such times, health and mental strength decline, and again people run to sorcerers. Some rare planetary combinations in a horoscope may not fit normal karmic patterns and can indicate external negative influences. For example, in 2020 the conjunction of 5 planets coincided with the global COVID pandemic. Similarly, in individual charts, certain combinations can bring unusual problems. At such times, instead of thinking scientifically and spiritually, the mind turns toward black magic. But what we should really do is chant protective mantras or observe silence on Saturdays to stabilize the mind, practice charity and service to the poor, elders, or workers to reduce negative energies, strengthen the moon through wearing pearls, meditation, or worship, perform simple rituals like Navagraha Puja, lighting lamps, reciting hymns, or prayers to increase protective energy. Spend time with family instead of sitting alone and worrying. Consult a psychologist for solutions and build your willpower. Take brisk walks, run, practice yoga, meditation, and recite or listen to sacred verses. Remove negative thoughts, avoid jealousy, and fill the mind with peace and happiness. Then, whatever difficulties come, you will naturally find strength to face them. In this world there are 2 forces, or one positive, seen through God, and one negative, seen through black magic, but the real cause is certain planetary combinations in the birth chart and transit. Until now, there is no scientific evidence for black magic. Psychology explains that fear, anxiety, and the placebo effect make people believe. If someone says, "You have been cursed," the person may truly feel sick. To avoid being cheated, think rationally and do not believe claims without evidence. Live your life guided by knowledge, not fear. Friends, believing in black magic brings no benefit, but living rationally brings long-term gain. Share your opinion in the comments. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.